Reyes almost losing the ball. There goes up and in! And he does the flex. Quick, the shot is there, but it's no good. Rebound scramble. And Life getting a steal here. He will break away for the layup and tie this ball game at 49.
First of all, mga viewers ng NDSL, thank you for supporting us. Well, itong 19 unders going to be a new champion. EYAC or Lyceum. Going to be interesting. Wala akong nakikitang may edge sa dalawang team na to. I promise you, it's going to be an exciting game. Bear with us, may mga iba pa kaming ligang gagawin. Thank you, God bless.
They turn it over. That might just be the final nail.
Siguro dito laban namin sa EYAC magiging magandang laban to para both teams, lalo na sa amin, isang magandang preparation din to para sa darating na season kasi namin. Ibibigay namin lahat ng makakaya namin. Ayun lang, sana yung opportunity na binigay sa amin ngayon, huwag lang namin sayangin.
Yung naging preparation namin sa game namin against Smash, siyempre yung everyday na ginagawa namin sa practice. Siyempre, pinapractice lang namin kung ano yung sistema meron kami. And pagdating sa game, siyempre 101%, kaya siguro yung outcome ng game nanalo kami sa Smash. Kung ano yung preparation namin ngayong sa finals na to, siyempre, same lang, nothing special. So kami, maglalaro lang kami within dun sa sistema namin. Then, titignan namin kung ano yung outcome ng game.
Our finals for the 1900, kitang-kita na nga yung now or never attitude ng mga batang players na to. Banggit nga sa akin ni Brigadier's coach Noy Catalan, sabi ko na nga ba, sa finals din tayo magkikita-kita, implying that he's really confident and prepared coming into this match. He reminded his players to just stick and play within their system dahil yun naman daw talaga yung nagpanalo sa kanila here in the NDSL series. Meanwhile, for the Junior Pirates, their win against Perpetual was of course a high moral booster, but today is another ball game and Coach Al wants his players to carry over the teamwork and momentum from that game and translate it into a championship win.
Alam, bonus going up, nice drop-off pass. Reyes almost losing the ball. There goes up and in, and he does the flex. Fine, Makahipay underneath. The undergoal stab finally goes in. Pelayo holding on to his left knee now, but that's a three.
Seeing his usual minutes.
As that undergoal stab will go for Prince Taganas plus a foul. This streaks down, and he is blocked by Tristan Alam with a stare down. Nerio spins, shot is up and in. Sudakong for three. Yes, sir. No good. Rebound scramble, and they need to sort things out. Alam, they pick it out. Makahipay for three. Yes, sir. Up ahead, Turno. He's blocked by Alam, and another flex, but immediately pulling back on the flex was Tristan Alam.
Athletic bigs of the Brigadiers are parked in the paint.
And Dagum breathing life, getting a steal here. He will break away for the layup and tie this ball game at 49. And here is the Junior Pirates. They turn it over. That might just be the final nail. The Emilio Aguinaldo College Brigadiers are the new 19 under champions of the NDSL Basketball Series 2025.
Ayun, masaya kami dahil nakuha namin to. Thankful ako sa mga teammates ko dahil kundi dahil sa effort nila, di namin makukuha to.